Sisia no ra Kelsen Atoforsen. No ana Minister of Finance. Oh my God, Ghana mu and ebe kana waye kasa mu se osoafo a ohwe Ghana nyina ayi Ghana nyina ye sika foto so abusua ha ye nkasa TV mema remfi se obe subscribe obe like na wasan share mema remfi koso a se obe koso tie ye nkasa egbo bi ebre a ye betum bia Kesi na to force the same bia beto abonte fa ye man pedi John Dramani Mahama eho aye bosome a etoso aye miasa aye obenim bosome a be kana match ni mu and aye kesi na to force the aye budget bi beto aye the parliamentary house or be kan kama e go for bi e kire mu se aye budget na be kan no aye fake e bi mu so kire mu se aye budget papa and kesi na to force ankasa na no sem about to dwa ensem bre no yonkonkoti
Numbers ball fienimu dynamo nyina search ehwe dynamo nyina ehwe me gardens went into the next house and went and have a search mo hwe ni nyina the two houses ni nyina mo hwe and then the police were there with Charlie armed men adaya monka mo search we ya mbizo madaya they after abronye no Mena, you say I'm keeping up in my house. I'm saying, come on. Where is this coming from? That I'm keeping a brony in my house. I don't think it's possible. This car is for a brony. I'm saying, this is my car that I'm using.
Until those threats, and more say you be genuine confidence, ye jano. Na enura eno report to the government of Ghana, the IGP, edema the US embassy, UN, UK embassy, a lot of embassies. Ewo my mono report to say ever since your NDC taking over power, beginning of the year 2025 for NDC about power no. Newa who say omacheno several times. Akoshe prison. Amomo yino. Afei nansen so IGP yohonu asa to na sa afre no se onsambra. Na so eye na watete huhu se omo pese omo kire no mo detain no. Enti enora the diplomatic corps the US government, the Germany government, UK, Spain, France, Italy, Cote d'Ivoire, Canada, and abronye actual political asylum letter. At the domo ye call letter no. Sa letter ya ochro ye ehu abono na ofiti says want to anamobi sa NDC government be free power na de no de ne nkwa ahwere no. Na letter no ye komu a just enya asem kotokra. First one was it unlawful arrest and detention. In February 2025 ya NDC government eche no de no prison. Ene ye release no. Na following arrest no the entire arrest and say current government NDC government ba power no enkofo na previous government NDP government na form adwuma no aban no eyi omunye adi about 150,000 Ghanaians the letter of abronya no ena okotena ne TV onya TV online criticize the government and eno nam so ena omode che no two or say during the detention he was threatened, intimidated, and sternly warned that unless he ceased criticizing the government, he will face more severe reprisals in the future. Gomuchino no muka chere say when yai say obo abanachi berebe na nani enji wo kurimu na two or say ongoing threats and intimidation or say ever since aye chino in February aye release no ebe sin ne adeɛ baako a wo face wɔ ne life no sɛ de fie kura wɔntimi nna WhatsApp messages, SM messages, phone calls, na nkɔfoɔ threaten no yɛbɛkum yɛbɛyɛ wo sei yɛbɛyɛ wo sei yɛbɛyɛ wo sei ɛno nti ne yɛmu hyehyɛ no nti he's pleading with the Canadian government, US government, Donald Trump, Germany, UK, Spain, France, Italy, and Cote d'Ivoire say Omumbrani 8 no saving a life. Yet also 3 say targeted harassment and threats of arrest. Every blessed day, I catch any say ye betcha no. And the man throw a letter at the command CID say and Kofu be a banifee. Say a IGP Christian Tete Yohonu and a small so on my fanembra. Nanso CID man response was among trade almost man Kofu man in chain. And the normal at a hookase a very huge fear. I bet Tonoso. Say name kwa bit me, obit marsh and quantity. Governments now are making mention of no or more imagine. A confident source within the police later informed me of a secret meeting where plans has been finalized to arrest, detain, and brutalize me should I appear at the police headquarters. For the escalating pattern of persecution ever since the NDC taking power. 1951 Refugee Convention and 1967 Protocol, recognizing the applicants' well-founded fear of prosecution for political opinion and prohibiting refoulement. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Ojinasan Semuiso and all pleading with the US government, Germany, UK, New York, they should come to his aid because their life is in danger. And to let the young know I plead my trust in your respected institution to consider my case urgently and to extend the necessary humanitarian assistance and protecting under international convention governing the rights of asylum seekers. And now I'm saying, and Bronye airport too, Mahama, I the president, any IGP, and then Nifi Krawon Timina. Timino Kasei, national security operatives, already the house of Moses Abo.